Hi guys, this is Adhan from Life, and today we'll be talking about Solar Industries India Limited. So the major sector which the company is in, that is chemicals, and majorly the company supplies to a lot of defense manufacturers and defense equipments. Majorly loads of equipments on explosives and various kinds of missiles and hand grenades. All these use chemicals, and further the company even manufactures these products and supplies to the to India and the defense sectors. The company is available and exports to over 50 countries, and it's a major company which is into this field, and the current market cap of the company is 10,695 crores. Overall, if you see, the company's asset base is 2200 crores, and the company's market cap is 10,695. And continuously we can see that the sales of the company is increasing. In 2014, the sales of the company were at 1216, and now the company's sales are 2387. It keeps on winning major and many contracts from the government also on the sector, on military and defense sectors. So continuously it is getting awarded with tenders, majorly because of the good quality that the company is providing and at competitive and good rates. Further, the company is making decent amount of profits. Around 11 to 12% are the profit margins of the stock. On the turnover of 2,387, the company made a profit of 261 crores in 2019 ending. The company's earning per share stands at 28.91, and it has never seen a down year, and it has been continuously growing at the rate of 15%. Since we know that the company's earning per share is growing at the rate of 15%, we can extrapolate this and increase this for the next 5 years also. So in 2024, we can expect that the new earning per share, upon increasing it by 15% on a yearly basis from 2019 to 24, we get that on 24, the company's earning per share will come out to be 59.22. Overall, the company is doing good, and the prices of the stock has also increased from around 700 levels to around 1200 levels at the current price. The current price is 1200 rupees, and the PE band in which the company moves lies between 35 and 47.51. The current PE of the stock is 41. If you want to find out the future expected prices of the stock, we'll simply have to multiply the lowest PE by the future expected earning per share of 59. That will give us that the stock can reach up to approximately 2111 rupees over the next 5 years on the lower side, and on the upper side the company can go up to 2800 rupees per share. If you're investing at the current price of 1200 rupees, you can yield around 12 to 19% returns on a yearly basis. The company is pretty good and manages its return on net worth and capital employed numbers pretty well. Since the profitability is increasing, obviously the return on net worth and capital employed numbers are also increasing at a decent rate. You can see all these figures on the screens. Further, the cash flows in the company also are mentioned on the screen, so they are also pretty decent. The company's auditors are SRBC and Company LLP, which is also a good company, so we can't really raise a lot of ethical issues on the company, but you should always do your due diligence before investing. The company has the nearest prominent and strong support of 924 and resistance at 1300. The company's institutional and mutual fund holding in the company stands at 22.22%, which is also pretty decent. The company delivers a dividend of around 0.6% on an annual basis. The only concern that we see here is that the company has very less current volumes and the volumes that there are in the company, so you can see some liquidity problems in the company. So the liquidity and the company is not very popular, so maybe if you buy a big chunk of the company, you won't be able to sell it so easily. There is some liquidity crunch, because if let's say the stock price is at 1200 rupees, you'll have to sell it at around 1150 or 1140 or 1160. Then only you will be able to offload your complete position. So that's about it for Solar Industries India Limited. It's a good company, the sector is pretty good, and it'll continue to keep on growing because it is doing government contracts and defense systems, plus it has good quality of manufacturing its products, and everything is fine in the company. So that's about Solar Industries. If you're not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you keep on receiving such videos. And that's about it for this video. Signing off, Siddhant Goel from FinLife. Happy investing.